And we're back to Inkscape 1.4 updates. There is a new pattern gap feature. We create a star. Just go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and then open the pattern menu. We can do that by going to Fill, and then clicking on this pattern swatch. The menu should pop up. Still looks the same, so nothing truly changed here. And this pattern gap works on every pattern. The old one can be found down here, and it's a slider. And you can see no matter how hard you try, 20% is the lowest you can go. So you jump from 0 to 20, then to 40 and so forth. So what if you wanted to have like 12%, for example? Well, they've changed that now in Inkscape 1.4. All that you have to do is to click on the gear icon and then change the gap control from mouse friendly to precise. And now you can adjust it here via plus minus, and numerically the lowest you can go here is in 0.1 increments. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.